Anong ginagawa mo? Andiyan ka lang, nakaupo. Nag-scroll. Tapos di mo alam kung ano yung nangyayari. Di ka aware sa surroundings. Ito yung nangyayari, oh. Nagbabalik ang Bobo Debates! Whoa! Welcome everyone to another season of Bobo Debates.
That was really cool.
Ang lala nun,
That was really cool, man.
Sobrang wild. Welcome. Sorry. Ito yung jitters namin kasi season 2, brand new episode. Tinan mo naman yung mga kasama natin dito, mga bigatin. Mga bigatin ng podcast world, di ba? Andre, ano?
Exactly 150 pounds ako.
That's...
Or 40, I'm not sure.
Dyan mukha kang skeleton with your Skeletor body,
Oh,
pare.
anyway, my name is Alexio Tabafunda, one of your hosts for today. Kasama ko si Andon Bernardo.
Hell yeah.
And kita nyo naman yung mga guests natin for today, ang ating mga debaters. Galing sa Walang Edit podcast, nandito si Leland Lim.
Leland Lim, pare. Top 48 podcast.
48, pare.
Binubuhat ko yung isa dyan.
Dito naman si
Well,
Judd.
140 pounds lang naman siya. So.
Oo, magaan lang
It doesn't
yan.
take much.
At nandito rin si Judd Gregorio.
What's up, mga staplers? Yeah.
Sige, bringing back the fucking
Cancel this
thing that got
podcast
you in
too.
trouble.
Salamat na dinamay mo kami doon.
Pero okay naman yung Bobo Debates naman. I am #1 podcast, pare, ng mga bad boys sa likod ng klase, pare.
Bad boys na nagkakat, tas nagyoyosi sa
Sasabi ng
CR.
basurahan.
Sila yung mga cool dudes, yung mga guys sa likod ng klase.
Grabe. Welcome back to yet another rendition of Bobo Debates. Kasi may mga changes tayo this season.
I know, dude, yes.
Ito ang pinaka-importanting change na sinasabi rin sa atin ng ating audience. Yung gusto nilang makita. Gusto nila na bigyan natin ng heads up ang ating mga guests.
Yes.
Ating mga guest
And we
debaters.
heard you, pare.
Binigyan niyo ng heads up si Jed?
Oo, si Judd lang binigyan natin ng heads up. Si Leland, di niya alam yung topic. Pero dati kasi, ang nangyayari is, pag nag-invite kami ng guests dito, tapos hindi nila alam kung yung topic. Tapos kami rin hindi namin alam kung yung topic yung gagawin that day. Pero on that day, pagdating nila, sabihin na namin, tapos, sige, mag-isip ka muna ng onti, ah. Parang,
Mahihina pala yung guest niyo dati.
hindi nila kaya on the spot. Hindi. Sorry sa lahat na naging
So they
debaters natin
just
before.
raw dog it.
Hindi, pero yun nga, ngayon,
Yes, raw dogging, Judd.
binigyan namin kayo ng ample time. Alam nyo na kung ano yung topic, alam nyo na kung ano mga paglalabanan natin ngayon.
Yes. Ay, sorry, that's a different email.
Di ba dati nag-record tayo ng isang episode, tapos ginagawa niya rin to?
Tapos marami kaming kinat.
Ang dami namin kinat nung
Who would have thought na mas una ka makakancel sa akin, Judd?
Dahil mong alam, DTS BBM to eh.
Well,
Gagawin natin.
Bago natin it-take sa politics.
bago natin take sa politics, let's get to debating.
Yes.
God, sila ng pula.
Kaya gusto ko,
Uy, Bobo, ano, hinubaran mo naman si McDonald's.
So, andito nga naman si Leland Lim at si Judd Gregorio, ang ating dalawang debaters. And, kamusta naman kayo? Na-enjoy nyo ba ang pagpa-podcast na
Oh.
with each other?
Yeah,
Okay
man.
naman. Medyo
besties.
sumasakit yung likod ko. Napapansin nyo, nakukuba na ako.
Nako, bakit?
Kasi masyado mabigat yung isang kasama ko.
140 pounds lang, pare.
140 pounds? Kung araw-araw mo naman binubuhat ang 140.
Ba't mo pala pinili si Judd as a co-host?
Nandun na eh. Kasi magka-work na kami.
Yeah. Actually, funny point nga. He was my boss in 2 ways, in my day job tsaka now in my podcast.
Tsaka
Ay,
ngayon,
in our
pagkatapos
podcast.
nitong debate na to.
Pagkatapos-
You stole my punchline. I was gonna say,
Hindi.
but who's the boss now?
Pagkatapos ng debate natin today, meron ng isang tunay na master sa inyong dalawa.
Alam mo, technically, mas senior ka Judd dito sa comedy sa totoo lang.
Oh.
Mas una ka nag-start sa kanya, di ba?
Wala yun dun.
Nasa skill level talaga yan. Okay, so
Hindi, wala siyang respeto, Judd. Walang respeto sa dito.
Let's make this interesting. How about the winner becomes the new main host of Walang Edit.
grabe, hindi ko alam kung kaya ko mag-survive sa isang buong episode na
Na ikaw
nakikinig
lang?
ako ng walang edit with Judd Gregorio.
Or pwede rin tawagin, bawal mag-English dito, bitch.
Yun na lang.
Okay. So, alam niyo naman, you've watched the show, you know what it's about, alam niyo kung ano gagawin natin. So, hindi pa natin introduce yung topic, by the way. Ang topic natin ngayon ay ice cream sa cone versus ice cream sa cup.
Yum,
Grabe.
yum.
A tale as old as time. Diba? Totoo eh.
Very divisive.
For the longest time, alam mo, ako, gets ko yung laban na to eh. Kasi minsan, diba?
Parang you like both eh.
Oo, gusto mo
I'm in the
Ano
mood
ba kayo?
ako. Ha?
Ano ba kayo?
May bias?
Hindi, that's why
Daya.
di namin ibibigay yung
Hindi ko
opinions namin.
di-disclose ang
Ganun pala yun.
preferred.
Both sides ako eh. Minsan gusto ko ng cone, minsan gusto ko yung lang yung lasa ng ice cream in itself.
Minsan gusto ko, kinakain ko lang yung cup.
Okay.
Dati nga sabi ni Red nung lasing ako, galing ako sa isang bar. Tas,
Kailan yan?
This morning?
so,
Sabi ko na
yung
ba?
pagkain ko daw ng ice cream nun, like sa baba muna, tas sa taas. Kasi gusto ko yung equal distribution ng cone
The fuck?
and ice cream.
Pinanood ko to as it was happening. Pag ganun eh.
Yeah, I think you need
Ang
help,
sexual
bro.
nun eh.
Dude, si 12 Beers Bernardo na to eh.
Lasing ka na kasi.
Lasing siya.
Okay lang yan, pare.
Pero hindi ko talaga gets yung konsepto ng sobrang lasing ka. Tapos
Parang yung sa casino, 'di ba? Sabi ni Robert De Niro, I want equal
I
distribution
want
of
equal distribution of
blueberries. Look at this. Parang ganun. Gusto ko ng
At bakit casino?
Meron ba kayo casino?
Yeah.
That was quick.
Hindi nakita eh.
Wait,
Pero,
kayo yung judges for the competition? Kayo yung judges?
yeah,
for
kami
the-
mag-judge kasi kami yung tunay na ice cream experts.
Oo.
man.
May fun fact si Alexia tungkol sa ice cream.
Alam mo ba kung bakit ang ice cream nasa stick?
Bakit?
Para pwede mong ganun. Hindi, yung chocolate na ice cream. Usually yun yung ice cream na nagkamali sila ng gawa.
Talaga?
So ang ginawa nila is pinak nila ng sobrang daming chocolate.
So leftovers.
Hindi naman. Parang, nagkamali tayo ng mix ng strawberry. Sige, lagyan mo na sobrang daming chocolate.
Ayun
Parang,
na. So ang chocolate
Hindi
ice
sayang.
ang chocolate ice cream ay the defective flavor.
Oo. Yes.
that's, hindi ko alam kung totoo yun. Pero, may nagsabi sa akin dati. Tapos ako parang, alam mo, it makes sense eh.
Tapos pagkatapos sumigaw siya sa sky.
Oo, sabi niya, bakit ako iniwan na asawa ko? Ganoon siya eh. Tapos ako parang, salamat sa fun fact, sir.
Sumakay siya sa Dr. Seuss like.
Tapos kumain siya ng mga bato.
Well, since you guys are the judges, may I just say you guys look very handsome today.
Ay, salamat.
Ay, salamat.
Very good looking.
host dito.
Trying to butter them up, man.
Sige, wait lang. Bago
Okay,
tayo, bago tayo ma-sidetrack na solid po tayo na. I-recap lang natin ang flow ng ating debate. So, mangyayari ngayon, we have 4 rounds, no? 4. Bilangin niyo to.
1,
2,
2, 3,
4. Tayo na nag-zoom in. Solid talaga yun. So, meron tayong 4 rounds. Ang first round is, i-defend nyo yung iyong side.
defense.
So, kunyari, nakuha mo yung ice cream cone, nakuha mo yung ice cream cup, sabihin mo, bakit okay ang ice cream cup? Bakit okay ang ice cream cone? Diba?
Good.
Tapos pagdating ng second round, pwede nyo ng
Offense.
offense na kayo. Hindi okay yung ice cream cup eh. Kasi, hindi ko na kayo bibigyan ng idea. Hindi okay yung ice cream cone. Ganun, atakihin nyo na isa't isa. Tapos pagdating ng third round, ito ang ating favorite, Andon.
Yes.
Ang rebuttals.
Yes. Ninakaw namin sa flip top. Hindi, joke lang. Hindi.
Ninakaw natin sa standard form ng debate.
Gusto ko yung flip top, yung introduction ko sa rebuttal na term eh.
Okay.
So, ang rebuttal, pwede mong atakihin lahat ng nasabi na ng iyong kalaban. So, kunyari, si Judd may sinabi na parang, pwede kong i-use against him yung sinabi niya.
Nothing will be used.
Tapos pagdating ng fourth round, ito yung pinakamalala eh. Ito yung free-for-all round. Tayo na, sapawan na kayo, pare.
Oo. Kain ng audio levels namin yan.
Oo. In-approve namin time and again na ang kailangan lang natin gawa is babaan lang ng unti yung volume. Tapos okay siya pakinggan kahit sa Spotify. So ready na ba kayo?
Yep.
Ready na kayo?
I'm just saying, Leland's about to get creamed. Ice creamed, that is.
That was cold.
Isipin mo, everyday mo kasama. Alam mo yun?
Ito.
God damn.
Time to sprinkle some knowledge on this mofo.
That was nuts.
Ay na pare, sobrang, we gotta split. Okay.
That was bananas, bad.
Oh. Okay.
Okay.
Tama na.
Strawberry.
Nadadala ako eh. Sige, so, how much have you lost in a coin toss? Sino magka-call ng ating coin flip?
Ano yung selecta nyo? Heads or tails?
Heads ako.
Oh, heads.
Heads. Sige.
Tails. Of course.
Siyempre, di naman siya pwede mag-heads
Oo
din
nga.
eh. Sige, so ang mananalo dito, pipili ka kung anong side or kung mauna ka or ano. Sige.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay?
Parang hindi ko na-catch, okay lang.
Hindi, kailangan mo saluhin.
Okay. Hindi ko pang di nasalo.
Wait, nakaganyan ka, gaganan ba siya?
Ganito lang.
Ayaw mo yung ganan?
Hindi, ganito lang.
Sige.
You're persuading him.
Hindi ko rin alam eh.
Okay.
Diba?
Coin flip pa lang to.
Heads, tails, let's go. Boom.
Nako,
Heads.
heads.
Okay.
Hindi mo pinresent eh.
Heads,
Hindi mo
heads,
pinresinta.
heads.
I saw it too.
Love
It
it,
was heads.
love it.
Yeah, there you go.
Ayan, no?
Look at those nails, freshly cut.
Oh, alam mo, gugas ng kamay ba? Okay. So, head siya, Leland. Ikaw ang pipili ngayon kung gusto mo mauna or ano, or yung side.
Sequence or side.
Kasi kunyari, pinili mo ice cream cup, tapos siya pipili kung mauna siya or pangalawa siya.
That's why, ang ganda ng start pa lang may strategy na eh.
Oh, stratagem.
Well-designed yung podcast
Sige.
talaga.
Oo, pare.
Pili na lang ako na side pa.
Pili ka na side. Sige, sige.
Piliin ko yung
French
sa
fries.
cone.
Sa cone. Ice cream cone, mga kaibigan. Sige, set natin yung parameters. So, ang mangyayari is, ikaw ang ice cream cone. Si Jad ang ice cream cup. So, Jad, ikaw pipili. Gusto mo bang mauna or ikaw yung pangalawa?
Second, please.
Second. So, mauna ang ating ice cream cone. Ice cream cone na mauna, mga kaibigan. Ito na ang pinaka-creamy na laban sa buong Bobo Debates.
Oh, wag kang mag-wafer sa debates mo ah.
Or sugar cone.
Can I just say this topic is very insensitive to lactose intolerant people.
Apa, wag kang maingay dyan.
But I'm not lactose intolerant.
Hindi niya gets eh,
Let's
kasi hindi
go.
siya nagtatagalog.
Oo nga eh.
Okay.
I-tolerate mo lang.
All right.
Okay, tama na.
Pwede na ba kayo?
Ready ba kayo?
Ready
Ikaw
na!
mauna.
Ikaw mauna, Leland ah.
Ikaw mauna. So, ito na. The official start of Bobo Debates Season 2. Mga kaibigan. Kailangan ko lang iset yung time. Ito yung favorite part ko talaga ng ng no-edit podcast masyado eh. Na kailangan yung panoorin na gawin ko to. So, ito na mga kaibigan. With the 2 minutes on the clock. 2 minutes on the clock, mga kaibigan. Okay. Your time starts now.
Okay, maraming dahilan kung bakit mas maganda ang ice cream sa cone. Una, isa-isayin natin. Una, pag multitasker ka at marami kang gustong gawin, meron ka pang isang kamay na, free ako. Free ako, dami kong pwedeng gawin. Drive ka, pwede ka kumain ng ice cream. May nakita kang friend, oy pare! Basta! Di ba? Pwede ka pang mag-bump. Di ba? Ang dami pwedeng gawin. Ang dami mong pwedeng kamayan, ang dami mo pwedeng... nag-e-enjoy ka habang may ginagawa kang makabuluhan. Magagawa mo ba yun sa cup? Di ba? Hindi mo siya magagawa sa cup kasi pag kumain ka ng cup, bobo ka, pare. Yun yung meron.
Ay, grabe na.
Okay. So, may oras pa ba ako?
Meron ba yan?
13 seconds left, pero doon pa lang, tapos na ako.
Pwede ba yun?
1 minute 13 seconds.
1 minute 13 seconds.
Pakita natin yung clock. Lagay natin.
Okay, marami pa pala.
May 1 minute ka
Hindi
ba?
ako handa.
Off the dome.
Ang dami mo pwedeng gawin. Kasi, pagka stinak mo yung cone mo ng sobrang daming scoops, ganun pa rin eh. Hindi magbabago. Pwede siya i-balance habang marami ka pa rin nagagawa. So basically, yung point ko, umiikot lang sa multitasking. Okay? Multitasking, hindi mo siya kaya din gawin sa cup. Kasi it requires 2 hands. Walang kumakain sa cup na bibig at isang kamay lang yung kinakain. Unless ikaw ay isang tangang tao. Diba? Ilan ba? Ilang
May 20 seconds ka pa,
20
idol.
seconds pa. Kung open mic to, nai-appreciate ko to. Alam mo yun? Ang tagal!
Tags yan, tags yan, tags.
Yun pa! Pwede kang... Oo.
Sige, he's watching the clock run out.
Yeah. Parang yung sa mga
Pero,
NBA yung
Dinitribal lahat ko na lang.
Ayan, mga kaibigan.
Salamat. Where do I claim my prize?
Teka, wait, di mo.
Di ba tapos?
Di ba tapos? So, wag niyo pansinin yung oras na nakalagay sa clock kasi nandito lang siya for timer purposes. Pero, grabe, yun,
Grabe.
napaisip talaga ako sa mga sinasabi.
Pwede
ni
mong
Dylan.
i-dap up yung mga friends mo para pag kumakain ka ng ice cream sa cone. makabuluhang bagay, meaning, you know what he's saying, pare, wink, wink. Diba?
What is that?
Jakol. Hindi ba jakol?
Hindi pwede yun kasi pwede ka magkaroon ng sakit eh. Pag nalagyan ng ice cream.
Hindi ba?
Hindi mo naman pinapaka.
Hindi nyo ba ginagawa yun? Okay.
Gusto ko nag-revolve nga lang. Pero multitasking, pare, which is very important now, pare.
Magandang
Sa
ano nga,
Philippines.
like observation. Kasi po siya, di ba? Paano hold up ka? Sabi hawak.
So, you're saying it's effective or not effective?
Wag muna.
Mamaya ka nga magsalita.
Wag muna mag-start.
Commentator siya
Hindi.
eh.
Okay yun. What a good first round and first argument for our boy, Leland. Tignan natin kung kaya ni Mr. Judd Gregorio ang pressure na dinadala niya. By the way, hindi ko alam kung napansin nyo, pero pag may mga good points na nasasabi, nagbabelt kami.
So wala ako pala
Dati itong actual bell yung ginagamit, pero masyado siya maingay eh.
Yung ba yung here? Here.
Dati ano eh, like, snaps lang talaga dapat eh.
Mas a goofy movie.
Di ba nito yung sexy na aso?
He's a goofy.
Alam nila ginagawa nila eh.
God damn.
Okay.
Yung pusa.
Ako yung pusa.
Cartoons talaga.
Cartoons.
Anyway,
Judd, let's go.
Handa ka na ba para sa iyong round?
Let's go. Why am I nervous?
Ninenervous ka?
It's just ice cream.
Tagal mo nang kilala tong si Leland. Tapos ninenervous ka pa rin sa laban na to.
Linos natin,
First debate ko to, by the way.
playing into my...
Nanalo ka ba last debate, Judd?
Hindi
I
siya
never... It's my debut also.
Nandito
Long
siya
time.
for another recording.
Yeah. Porn.
We don't do that here.
Oh,
We don't do...
oh yeah.
Enough, Judd.
Alam mo naman, Judd, na illegal yun eh.
Enough.
Okay.
Let's do this.
So, ito na, the timer. Kita ba ang timer natin sa... Sinet ko na to eh. Salita kasi na salita. Ayan, kailangan ko balik sa 3 lumens yung ano natin para kita ng camera. Ayan. Grabe, Judd.
Okay.
Salita ka nga dyan.
What's the name of the guy from the office? Jim. Jim. What's his last name? Halper.
Paredes. Sa'yo, Halper.
Okay.
Okay, tama na
Ready
yan,
ka na ba,
Judd.
Judd? Handa ka na ba sa
Ready.
yung 2 minutes? Your time. It starts now.
Do you guys remember when Steve Jobs unveiled the iPhone? It was game over for the BlackBerry, pare. Wala na yung mga keyboards on the phone. That was the same innovation that happened when whoever, si Mr. Cup, unveiled the cup for ice cream. Gone are the Neanderthalic prehistoric ways of using a cone. But anyway, before I get to the cone, let's talk more about the pros of the cups. No, the cup. First of all, I'll go with the metaphorical defense. Na it represents man's embrace for technology.
Okay.
Yeah, man. If you don't embrace the cup, you probably don't embrace things like electricity or AI. Parang, are you truly a human being if you just use your hands? Might as well call yourself a primate or a gorilla. So, to be truly human is to embrace innovation, technology, evolution, and I think the cup with ice cream is a representation of man's peak performance. Now, I also want to claim the point and strength of multitasking and hands-freeness because you can put the cup down and what? Oh, you have more than one hand. You have 2 hands. That is more than what you can get normally if you're holding something. And also, I want to talk about how. Okay, let's talk about it in a more practical sense. It's less messy, guys. So parang, I don't know about you, but if I ever, I don't want to bash the cone yet, but it's more, it's contained in the walls of the cup. You can put it down. You can have a talk with your date without really worrying about, it spilling. Imagine having a date and you have to hold, something in your hand. Ano pa? Yes. And of course, if you want that cup flavor, you're like saying, oh, but you can't eat a cup, Judd, if you want that cone flavor. Not cup flavor. If you want that cone flavor, may mga ice cream cups na may cone sa loob.
Okay,
Alright.
that's enough. I think I've heard enough.
Ang gusto kong stance lang ni Judd doon na pro-AI siya. So, yun lang yun na, like medyo nag-blank na lahat ng sinabi niya.
Sinabi niya, hindi naman importante yung mga artist na yan. Grabe, nirelate mo lang dun eh. Pero ako, meron siya mga sinabi mga good points. Sa akin, yung sinabi niya about, sobrang laki advantage yung pwede mo siya ibaba.
Actually, yes.
Di ba pag naging seryoso yung usapan, don't wanna be caught holding an ice cream.
Gagawin mo muna to. Sunod lang ha.
Yun sila, mababa. Hindi yung tipong, ano, ba't mo ko iniiwan? Kasi hawak mo lang siya. Maganda yun. It's less messy. That's also another good point.
Yes,
Pero,
kasi one thing rin about ice cream, it gets messy, pare. Lalo na if children are eating it, pare.
Oo, tama. Grabe. Hindi ko
Gusto ko
in-expect.
magkakat sa akin yung camera, tapos marami akong ice cream.
Oo nga eh. Pero ba tayo parang nakakatawa nga yun, sayang.
Next time.
May ice cream ka dyan. Pero, yun nga, gusto ko yung mga points ni Jad. Maganda rin ang yung arguments for today. Grabe, hindi naman sa na-surprise ako.
Hindi ako
Alam ko kung ano ang capabilities mo, Jad. Huwag kang mag-alala. Aware kami lahat. Maganda yun. Pero si Lila...
Ang ganda rin ng sinabi niya point na, gago, pwede ka rin mag-order ng app, ng cone, habang may cup.
May mga ganun eh. Actually,
sa taas.
Parang topping-wise, no?
Pero is that a cone?
It's fucking redundant though.
Yeah.
Parang waffle na rin siya.
Yeah, wafer siya eh.
Wafer ba siya o waffle?
Am I allowed
Magkaiba
to,
yun, eh?
am I allowed to add? Or wala?
We're just talking ba?
You were just talking.
Sa Kiwami, may ganon, it comes to the cone.
Saan?
Sa Kiwami, yung Japanese food hall. Diba? It comes to the cup.
Yeah.
Tapos may cone stuck on the ice cream.
Parang...
So it looks like...
Parang best,
Pag binring up mo yan, parang ba't pa natin pinaglalaban ito? Dalawang topic.
it's the best of both worlds.
Parang at the same time, meron kang cone, tapos may ice cream, tapos pinatungan mo ng cup sa taas.
Oo.
Ganun lang din siya eh. Kasi pwede mo siya itao. Pero yun nga, maganda ang ating mga arguments for the first round. Kayo guys, sa first round na yun, sino sa tingin nyo? never kasi natin ginawa ito na parang per round eh. Sino sa tingin nyo nanalo sa round 1? Walang ganun. So,
Wala palang
wala,
ganun.
hindi natin ginagawa yun.
Kala ko lalabas bigla yung flip-top rapper para sa akin.
Para sa akin, si Leland, ganda na. Bars.
Yung ini-skip na part.
Yung nag-auwian na yung mga tao.
Okay, narinig niyo na ang side ng isa't isa. Dinefend niyo isa't isa. Si Judd medyo, hindi ko na siya itigil eh. Kasi medyo treading na siya sa territory
Yeah,
na
It was
pang-atake.
hard. It was hard to stop.
So may mga minus points ka.
Hindi naman. Para sa akin, okay lang naman yan. Kasi medyo dinip niya lang yung toe niya sa proverbial and pond.
Oh, pare.
Testing the waters.
Na-taste na niya parang yung elixir of
Life.
life.
Elixir
Wait,
of life.
etong second round, ano to?
Ito yung second round.
Rebat na.
Bashing na.
Parang sabihin mo
Yeah.
na kung bakit di okay magkaroon ng cup.
Yes.
Sabihin mo na kung bakit walang kwenta yung mga mahilig sa cone.
Oo.
Kaya mo bang gawin yun, Jad? Tingin ka sa camera.
Tingin ka sa
Sabihin mo, Jad.
Fuck you, cone lovers. I said what I said.
Grabe.
Grabe yun.
I'm here on a
Nasa-
mission.
Alam mo yun, sa totoo lang, hindi nyo rin naman alam kung anong side de-defend nyo eh. So malay ko ba kung gusto mo talaga mag-cone o ano eh.
Parang real life lang,
Oo,
pare.
pare.
No.
Mga situation na nadala tayo sa mga isa't isang side. Di ba? Okay.
Okay.
So, ito na. Magsisimula na natin second round. I was feeling good dun sa first round. Ang daming magandang arguments na present. Pero ngayong second round, tingnan natin. Kasi ito offensive. We're going on the offensive, pare.
On the attack, pare.
On the attack.
On the attack. On the
Reality. Okay, mga kaibigan. Dito na tayo. Leland, ready ka na ba?
Oo naman.
Okay, sige. Leland, your time starts now.
Okay, number 1, pinaka-ayokong reason. Bakit? Pinaka-ayoko sa cup lovers, pag kumakain sila ng ice cream, is ang daming plastic cups.
No.
And nakakasira siya sa environment. Diba? So parang, if you are eating, if may option kang mag-cone at mag-cup, pag pinili mo yung cup, you're choosing to destroy the environment. If pinili mo yung cone, alam kong Lenny supporter ka. if okay, yun yung ayoko sa cup. Okay, kaya dapat ina-abolish yung cup. If gusto niyo i-maintain yung pagiging containing yung containment na nagagawa niya sa ice cream, edi gumawa ka ng cone na shaped like a waffle. Diba? Para pwede kang kumain kahit merong toppings yan, may syrup, kahit ikaw yung mga lola na mas mahilig hintayin yung ice cream at matunaw bago kainin, okay lang. Hindi ka makakasira sa environment. if you are a plastic lover, might as well. 'Di ba? Humigop ka na rin sa plastic straw.
Now,
'Di ba? Might as well wag ka na gumamit ng plastic straws.
Wow.
may applause din.
Meron
me
pa ba akong
applause.
time?
Let me applaud.
Tapos ka na agad dyan. May 30 minutes, 30 seconds pa ako. So, kamusta kayo, Alex?
Kaya nagdi-dribble.
Okay.
Nagde-dribbling taklak na ako. Pero yun nga, isa pa yung ayoko sa, sa mga cup. It supports the bad kind of ice cream. Alam mo ba bakit? Alam mo bakit?
Bakit?
Ang ice cream ginawa, una, pag nagsuscoop ka ng ice cream, round siya. There's no reason for you to use a cylinder to contain it. Dude, ano ba yun?
Buzzer beater. Gandang fucking Jordan Game 6 buzzer beater na yun,
Grabe.
pare.
Nakita ko straight up eh.
May new point agad eh. After.
bago nga siya matapos sa argument niya, tayo lahat ng tao muna ng parking lot eh.
Ain't over yet.
Umiiwas sila sa traffic, pare.
Ang the best talaga na sinabi niya about the environment. Kasi na-imagine ko talaga yung mga dolphin na may mga plastic hats.
Oh,
May mga cup hats sila.
uy, nasuot mo ngayon, deep in dots.
May octopus na may mga balat siya na putang ina ngayon. Uy, grabe itong mga sing-sing ko.
Laki factor nga naman yun. No? Ang ating plastic debacle. Diba?
Kung na lang habang sinasabi ni Lila yung kumakanta yung The Earth song ni Michael Jackson. What about Africa?
Actually, para sa akin,
Let's go.
nung iniisip natin yung topic ito, isa yun feeling ko sa magiging talaga eh, magiging points na i-bring up regarding yung mga cups eh. Kasi, totoo eh, plastic cups, medyo isa siyang problema.
Magandang point rin na sinabi ni Lilan. Gawa siya para sa ice cream mismo, yung cone. It's for the ice cream, by the ice cream. Hindi ko na alam yung next.
Wala na yun lang yung ice cream.
With the ice cream.
For
Parang,
and by.
gets kasi sama, it
For the
is,
people, by the people.
Yun na talaga,
Oo nga,
the
subukan-
vessel.
Subukan mong kumain ng ice cream sa shot glass, di ba? Parang hirap
Ay,
nun.
shot
How was
glass,
it,
yun
bro?
naman ini-
How was the
Oh,
shot?
tapos imbes na ice cream, alak. Yung
Ang
may sinasama.
nakakatawa doon, pwede pa ba mag-add?
Hindi, magano ka sige.
Kasi
Hindi na counted, hindi na siya
Okay
counted.
lang, okay lang. Yung cup, kahit na sa cup mo siya ilalagay, bakit mo pa siya kailangan i-scoop? Ba't sinuscoop pa rin nila
Could
para
you have
ilagay
flat?
doon?
Nga pala.
Pwede mo naman i-scrape.
Tipid pare, tipid. Siguro.
Ibig sabihin lang nun, gawa siya for cone. Yun lang yung gusto ko sabihin.
Okay. Good point, that's a good point.
Great round by
Not
Lila.
counted yung last yung point na yun.
Inoplos pa rin natin. Okay lang.
Oo nga, teacher's pet, relax.
Oo nga, ba't ka nagsusumbong sa amin? Ha? Gago to
Ryan!
Sige. Ikaw, Judd.
How do I feel?
Yeah, how do you feel about yung mga arguments? Sa tingin mo ba kaya mo
That
siya?
was tough. Yung environment one, I'm gonna have to think hard on how to beat that. So yeah.
Feeling ko meron ka na something up
I
your
got a
sleeve.
little something.
Okay,
something.
sige. Ready
Lilan
ka na ba?
Cook.
I got extra flavors in my
Grabe yun, kumpadre.
tub.
Ano naman, bakit? Ano nangyari?
It's my new thing. Let's go.
Yung new catchphrase mo. Sige, Judd, ready ka na ba?
Ready, Freddy.
Kilawan na namin yung judge.
Sobrang last
Minus one agad eh.
Sige. Dahil hinintay ko yun, kailangan ko i-set ulit yung...
Ba't may ganun?
Kasi si Leland ready na agad pag nakaset na
Ah,
yung
sige,
time
sige,
eh. Tapos
sige.
ikaw...
Oh, humihirit master pa rin.
May glitch. Sorry. Okay.
Okay.
No more hear it.
Ready ka na?
Ready.
In 3, 2, 1. Japan starts now!
Alright, in the 2024 study done by the IDF, or the International Federation of Diabetes, or International
IDF ba sinabi?
International
Di ba Israeli
Diabetes International Diabetes Federation, they found out that in the Philippines, there were around 4.7 million adults with diabetes. Guys, do you know how much 4.7 million is? Too much. It's more than 3.7 million. So, why do I bring up this very alarming reality in our society? Well, I want to be sensitive to those suffering from this plague of a disease, diabetes. Which is why, if you want to enjoy ice cream, go ahead. But if you have a cone, that's overkill. That's extra sugar, no matter how low sugar the cone is. That's added sugar, which is another step closer to death. Or cutting your limbs. you want to cut your limbs for a scoop of bubblegum ice cream, no, you can just have it safely in a very zero sugar cup. So guys, ayun, if you are anti-diabetes, if you've lost someone through diabetes, you will have to side with the cup. Now, speaking of things that affect our country, let's talk about things that affect our world. COVID. Ever heard of it?
Bakit? Tinawanan niya agad eh.
Okay, guys, hate to break it to y'all, but COVID is still a thing. Maybe it's not as rampant now. Thank you, vaccines. Yes, I'm pro-vaccine. But it's still a thing. People still get sick from COVID here and there. And the best way to avoid getting COVID is to not use your dirty hands when you eat. And of course, no matter how much alcohol, how much you wash your hands, you're still using your digits, your palms when you hold the cone. And you're telling me you're gonna throw the cone afterwards. No, you're gonna eat it. That's the whole strength of the cone. It's good. It tastes good. Yeah, all right. But sorry about that. But when you eat that cone, you might ingest some COVID-19, pare. That gross stuff.
Yeah, that gross stuff.
Alright, that's what I would describe that life-changing event, eh, no? Napaka-gross talaga ng COVID, pare.
That hit close kasi I have diabetes, by the way.
Oh,
and-
kasi nagka-COVID din siya.
Yes, at naka-COVID din ako. And you know what? I would risk of an arm or a leg, pare, for a nice cup of Papa Didis, pare.
Sobrang pinlag mo siya with the wrong presentation. Nag-shoutout ka sa Papa Didi sa sinama mo, pero dahil kung pinutol yung kamay ko, okay lang eh.
Ganun siya kasarap eh.
Ganun siya kasarap.
Yeah.
Okay. Maganda yung sinabi ni Judd
Very
na...
consistent, very
Oh,
psychopathic. yung bakit
yung si Judd talaga study niyang human condition para
Oh,
sa...
parang i-defend tong ice cream sa cup.
Gusto ko na sabihin na I think yung IDF ay yung Israeli Defense Force. Yun yung una mong ni-refer to as yung nag-study tungkol sa mga diabetes.
Oh, just fucking saying death.
Anyway, tama. I agree. Extra sugar nga naman is a factor dun sa pag kumain ka with a cone.
It's a factor and a factor.
Yeah.
Maangas.
Weird play.
Oh, Mr. Jason Mraz.
Mr. A to Z, man.
Mr. A to Z.
I saw fireworks on the freeway.
The
Geek
geek
in
in the pink. Okay.
Is that an innuendo though? A sexual innuendo? Geek in the pink.
Yeah, probably is.
Oh, fuck.
Si ano, tapos ito pa, sinabi niya na kapag kumain ka ng cone with your hands, it's giving virus.
Yeah, it's
Giving COVID.
It's giving viruses to other people.
sobrang cool.
Matter ba? Yan, pero good points brought up by Judd. Yun nga, medyo psychopathic ang kanyang approach.
Bringing up death.
Kung
the
si
human
Leland,
condition.
ang kanyang approach ay emotional, kay Judd ay napaka,
Social, pare.
hindi.
Hindi, parang singlamig ng ice cream kasi cold hard facts.
Cold hard facts na ang kanyang Okay.
Ito na yung
Grabe.
bottle.
Ito na, dito na
Kasi
tayo.
they say, revenge is a dish best served cold, pare.
Oh, po.
Tama, tas ice cream pa.
Ice cream
Tas
pa yung
tas
topic.
bottle pa.
O yan ang revenge. yan ang revenge.
Yan ang revenge.
Yan ang revenge.
Bagong catchphrase namin, guys. Yan ang revenge.
Yan ang revenge. Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Ganda na natin. Anyway, so, sa rebuttal round, ito na inaabangan mo siguro, Lilan. Kanina,
baka.
mainit ka na kanina eh. Gusto mo nang
Dami
gusto
niyang
ko.
malun
Points,
sa desk.
Dami niyang counterpoint.
So, marami kayong pinresent on both sides naman na arguments. This is a time to tear it down, pare. Yung mga buildings na ginawa nyo with your words, yung mga susunod nyo sasabihin, yun ang wrecking balls. Handa na ba kayo?
Yun ang Miley Cyrus.
Yun ang Miley Cyrus experience. So, itong rebuttal round, lahat ng sinabi ni Judd kanina, pwede ka na, pare. Kahit yung mga sinabi sa round 1, sa round 2, kahit gusto mo pang atakin, sasabihin nyo sa round 5.
I know what you're gonna say, Judd.
I can do this all day.
So, kung ready ka na, Lilan.
So, ko lang sabihin na
Ooh, okay.
ako ang delo ng Bobo Debates. Ako ang hari ng rebat dito. Kaya sabi ko na ngayon.
Haha, he said but.
Tayo na, okay na ba yung timer?
Teka lang inayos ko. Dapat kanina pa okay eh. Sana binilisan ko. Okay.
Do you have it, butts?
Game.
Inaano ko lang para.
okay.
Yan, ready ka na ba, Leland? Sa ating next round.
Born ready.
Okay, your rebuttal starts in 3, 2, 1.
Okay, ready na kayo? Ready ka na, Judge? Okay. Kasi lahat ng sinabi mo, hindi totoo eh. Okay? Una, sabi mo, nakakakuha ng virus sa cone. Hindi natatransmit ang COVID through food. Ano ba yung research mo na yan? Sobrang mali-mali. I urge everyone to backtrack this episode and i-research yung lahat ng sinabi niya, lahat kabobohan. Okay? Alam mo kung saan natatransmit ang virus? Sa plastic. Plastic cups. Doon mo siya makukuha, hindi sa cones. That is food. Okay? So, yun yung unang point. Sabi mo kanina, okay, yung kanina sabi mo, diabetes, no? More sugar. Hindi kasalanan nung kinakain. Kasalanan nung kumakain yun. Parang sinisi mo yung McDo kasi sobrang daming mataba. At wala silang salad. Hindi nila kasalanan yung nagbebenta sila, bumibili ka. Yung nag-i-intake na tao ang may kasalanan doon.
Ay, ay,
At-
ay.
At guess what? Meron ng veggie cones. Ano yan? So, innovation ang dapat dito, hindi avoidance. Kailangan mo ng innovation. If ang reason mo pa rin is, ang daming sugar, anong gagawin ko? Masarap eh. Ikaw yung tanga. Ikaw yung hindi nag-a-adjust. Okay, I apologize sa cone industry na kayo yung nag-adjust. Okay, thank you for providing veggie cones. Alright? At ito pa, hindi siya messy. Okay? Kaya nga may tissue eh. Yun lang. Kailan nagbigay si Kuya Sorbetero nang hindi niya ni-wrap muna yung ilalim ng cone bago siya mag-scoop at ibigay sa'yo? Diba? Aalisan mo pa siya ng...
Time! Time!
Whoa!
Wala.
That was intense. Damn!
Ang ganda nun.
Napaka-explosive na round galing kay Leland Glim, mga kaibigan.
It's gonna be a tough battle.
Kaya palang init-init niya kanina eh.
Basically, ang sinabi ni Leland to change, pare. Talk to the man in the mirror, pare. Meaning ikaw, pare. I'm talking to the diabetic in the mirror.
Yung pagtangin mo sa salamin, kita mo ice cream.
Taklay bobo.
Ako ba yan? Ako na ba yan? Grabe. Kung hindi niya napansin, ilang applause break si Leland doon, ilang bells. And also, kung sobrang lupit na sinasabi, we break out the real
Let's
bell,
go.
mga kaibigan.
Maganda rin yung point ni Leland na may tissue.
Oo.
Sa ilalim ng cone.
At
Kasi
some point-
afterwards,
Yes.
Tapos kung may sipon ka, like, ganun mo lang. Tapos,
Nadjejebs ka, wala kang tissue,
oh,
gamitin mo yun.
bili ka ice cream! May pampunas ka na, may treat ka pa, pare. What a masterful... Tas,
Amoy apa yung put mo eh, no?
Tapos napaka-masterful. Ito yung round na hindi drenable ni Leland yung
Oo
ball.
nga eh.
Tapos umikot-ikot lang sa
Alam mo yung ano, yung paubos na yung oras, hawak na lang ni Jad yung bola. Tapos biglang ginanon eh. Kinuha ni Damian Lillard tapos nag-layup siya ng huli eh.
Nag-fast break pa.
Galit na si Tyreek Evans, mga ganun.
Yun ba yung
Hindi
Lakers?
sila, di ko alam kung nagsabay sila sa timeline eh, pero parang
Yung,
Ayun,
nagsabay naman
yung
sila.
Lakers natin ba to? Hindi ba?
Sobrang,
Sorry, di ko alam yun.
di ko gusto na lagi mo sinasabi na parang Lakers ko yan eh.
Oh,
Oh, Boston ko yun eh. Celtics ko.
nandun si Katino Mobley.
Yeah.
Alam mo ba,
Revenge,
tatlo
pare.
lang ang pinakasikat na Boston.
Oh,
Una, Boston Cream,
Boston Cream.
Boston Celtics,
Celtics.
tsaka Boston Rhymes.
Pakikat nga yun, de joke lang.
Bigada ng courtesy bell.
At si John Cena.
At si John Cena.
Okay.
John Cena.
John Cena.
Dami niyang sinabi magandang points. Pero ang favorite na sinabi ko is, mali ka Jad eh.
So may veggie cones?
Backtrack that. I've never heard.
Meron.
It sounds like something
Fact
though.
check me.
It sounds like something.
Paki-fact check naman si Leland kasi
Something
kung totoo
losers
man,
would eat.
kung totoo man yung hindi ko alam yung sa COVID na hindi pala siya natatransmit.
Actually, I was gonna
So-
address that in my rebuttal.
Ay, address mo ba yun?
But I can say it now.
Tama ba niya? Tama ba siya?
Kaya sa food. Pero super low chance.
Let's save it for the round. man.
Kala mo, yeah.
Pero, yun nga, yung sinasabi ko, minsan talaga, pare, pag mainit ka, kailangan mo na ilabas eh.
Kailangan mo na ice cream.
Kailangan mo na ice cream.
Pampalamig, pare. Pampalamig, pampa-reality.
Okay. So, Jad,
Reality.
wait lang. Jad.
Wala.
Ready ka na ba sa iyong 2-minute rebuttal round?
Ready ka na ba, Jad?
I'm ready to take Leland to Rebuttal City, pare.
Bilisan mo naman yung
There we
masagot
go,
mo kasi
there we
yung clock umano eh.
Oo.
Okay? Ready ka na bang dalhin si Leland sa Rebuttal City? In 3, 2, 1, let's go.
All right. Speaking of the COVID backtracking, actually, if you research it, there is still a chance you'll get infected on food, which is a lower percentage compared on surfaces. But anyway, going back to the other things they said. All right. So cup plastic. Okay. So he mentioned that it's not messy. There's tissue. Well, if you put tissue, aren't you just hurting the environment pa rin? Yes. And going back to the environment. Okay. So. He says now plastic cups. Okay, but there are other types of cups, Leland. There are paper cups, there are wooden sticks. And if you're saying, okay, that's still gonna hurt the environment, you're gonna kill trees. Well, you're gonna also kill trees with your little tissue from the Sorbetero friend. Okay, so what I love though about paper cups is you can use it as advertisement. So you can actually advertise for the end of plastic on the paper cup. So you can put there, no to plastic cups, yes to paper cups. You can actually send a message with the cup. You can't write anything masyado on a cone. It's too insufficient. Anyway, and he's talked about the cup-shaped cones. Like make a cup out of cone. Well, that just proves that the superior design of the cup. Na everyone would want to eat from there. All right, now let's talk about, speaking of innovation in design, sabi niya, we can always make plastic-free cups, guys. And then he's also blaming the person. Like, okay, people cannot, it's blame the people for wanting ice cream even if they're diabetic. Well, he mentioned something about kanina na, don't choose avoidance, Judd. Choose innovation. Aren't you asking people to avoid ice cream by saying, don't eat ice cream at all? Kasi even the ice cream, not just the cone, can hurt you. I'm saying, no, I care about you diabetic people. I want you to enjoy a little bit and treat yourself. Have a little cheat day, but of course, do it with that safe boundary of not having a cone. Have a sugar-free cup. All right. So, ano pa? Yes.
Gusto ko itong round ni Jad, hindi siya nagre-rebut tech, nagmamakaawa siya sa audience.
Please! Kaya ako binil yung sinabi niya nung huli na parang, kakumbi kita eh. Nandito ako para sa'yo eh.
Tayo na nakakainis.
We're joshing you, pero butya, ang ganda rin naman yung mga sinabi ni Jad. Lalo na yung sinabi niya na paper cups naman. Paper cups naman eh. Diba? Napaka-solid na. Ikaw, Andre, ano sa tingin mo yung...
More, itong, hindi to rebuttal technically, yung kaya it was more addressing yung pagkakamali niya, which I like, pare.
On the defensive ka,
Yes.
the entire...
Ownership.
Hindi, kasi inatake ka talaga ni Leland, syempre.
Parang yung nag-meet na, yung, a spear that can pierce through anything and a shield, that can block
The unbreakable, the unstoppable force meets
the immovable object. So,
Okay. So, may mga sinabi rin si Chad kanina na yung point na bring up na kung gusto mo gumawa ng waffle or wafer na cup, grabe yun. Sinabi niya, ba't mo ginagaya yung cup? Yun yung superior design.
Wait, pwede ba mag-interject dyan?
Sige. Tinan natin.
Kasi sinabi ko na
Ngayon lang natin to yung ginawa. Ngayon lang natin ginawa.
first time sa Bobo Dates.
If you backtrack nyo yung episode, sinabi ko na siya kanina eh. At hindi cup ang tawag doon pag ginawa mo siyang waffle. It's a cone.
Designed as a cup, though.
Okay.
Yun lang yung gusto ko sabihin.
Kayo na lang siguro mag-decide kung pag may nakita kayo, kunyari, may nakita kayong waffle na pag ganun, pero spoonin pa rin yun, di ba? May spoon pa rin. Cone ba siya o cup?
Search nyo na lang waffle cone.
Search yung waffle cone, tapos search nyo waffle cup.
Yeah.
Tapos, yung first 50 results, tingnan nyo compare nyo, tapos isend nyo yung data nyo sa amin sa solidok.com
Nalalabas.
dito. Sobrang walang lalabas at all. Yun yung nakakahiya eh. Wala tayong nakasetup na ganun.
Okay.
Good arguments from both sides, but I do agree na medyo nasa offensive si Leland doon. Pero yun yung advantage na nauuna eh. Kasi pag pangalawa ka, mas marami ka ng information na nakuha at that point. Na kailangan mo
Pero
i-address.
you pick the topic kasi if you
Oo.
win eh. Like
Yun nga.
it's a strategy thing.
Revenge.
Parang Golden State yan eh.
Ah.
Ang defense nila is yung sobrang galing nilang offense.
Na, yung, oh no, nag-score sila. Ano defense natin? Mag-score pa tayo. Ganun.
Wala silang
Pero
goal
yun.
eh.
Puro 3 points yun yung strategy nila.
Okay, so nga papasok na tayo sa round 4. And I will say, i-warn ko kayo since first time ito. Ito ang pinaka-chaotic na
Oh,
part.
man, I'm scared of this part.
Okay.
So 2 minutes siya of no holds. 2 minutes ba? 2 minutes.
Okay.
2 minutes.
I got you in the ring
my
for
last
2
chance.
minutes.
Wait, anong
2
dynamics
minutes
nito?
of
Wala.
playtime.
Ikaw bahala.
Oh, bahala na kayo.
na to.
Kung may gusto ka nang sabihin, sabihin mo sa
over.
simula.
Sama ng
You can
loob.
talk over each other. Pwede kayo labas yun eh, sama ng loob sa isa't isa. Pero within the confines of the topic,
Okay,
please.
hindi pwede off topic.
I mean, sino ba kami para pigilan kayo, di ba? Nandito lang kami para mag-moderate.
Or yung cage match to. Sige.
So ano,
Yeah,
isang 2 minutes lang to. Wala tong salitan kayo.
Yeah, keep it in the topic, guys. Bakit mo?
Tingnan lang
I
kita.
don't know what else to talk about actually.
Sige, ready na ba kayo mga kaibigan?
Yep.
Para sa ating
Ako to, no?
free for... Sabay kayo, pare.
Fuck.
So kung may sinasabi ka na, pwede siya sabi, hindi. Ito kasi yun eh. Tapos ikaw labanan mo na.
Mama mo pangit.
Ang gulo na ito. Magulo talaga to. Ito yung pinaka-chaotic na
Ito
part.
yung spiciest.
Ready na. Sakit na ba ito? Sige, your 2 minutes. They be starting free for all round. No.
Wow.
Okay, yung cup mo, sa lahat ng binibili mong cup, merong kasamang spoon.
Okay, okay.
So times 2 agad yung kalat mo dun compared sa cone.
Unless you put it in the right recyclable bins. Walang kalat. Might be reused pa.
So maghahanap pa ako, paano kung wala? Paano kung nasa daan ako? Tatapon ko sa pulube? Ikaw na bahala dyan, pulube, sipsipin mo yung spoon ko.
Pero, what are you gonna do with that cup while you're on the daan? You're just it's gonna spill all over you while you're walking, or what? You're gonna eat it, and then you're gonna get that sugar rush, and then you're gonna get that sugar crash, and you won't make it to your destination because
kasi,
you won't have the energy to keep walking, man.
Bakit siya may Messi? Ano ako, 3 years old? Ha? Ano yun? Dami. Bobo ako, hindi ako marunong
Kahit pa paano, let's say no ice cream gets into your on your body, there's stickiness pa rin sa cone, man. It's made out of sugar, and your palms will melt the sugar, leaving you with sticky hands, pa.
Yeah, that's why you bring an alcohol. Yeah, that's why you bring an alcohol and
Okay.
you spray. Pagkahawak mo cup, tas wala kang trash bin, mas dirty yun kasi hawak mo kalat. Kahit saan ka magpunta. Hindi mo pwedeng kainin. Pwede mo ba kainin yung cup after? Yung cone, pwede.
Okay. Let's say you make it not to your destination with a cone. You're gonna look like a freaking child, man, with your cone. Like, what are you gonna do? A business meeting? Parang, oh, hey, I wanna talk to you about this business. It's 1 million pesos.
You know what? Most business owners ngayon ay pro-environment. At matutuwa sila pag naka-cone ka kaysa naka-plastic cup at naka-plastic.
I feel like the environment discussion at this point is moot because we can get paper cups, paper spoons, and did you guys know there's a new plant that eats plastic? There is a new plant discovered somewhere in the Amazon that eats plastic. So even if you throw it, guys,
That's a good idea, Judge. So pupunta tayo sa Amazon para i-distribute itong bagay na sinasabi mo.
I'm just saying, man, I think if you wanna... Damn it!
Ganda.
Sinabi ni Jad, the daan eh.
Okay.
Grabe yun.
I felt good.
No, ikaw, kamusta ka naman?
Therapeutic siya for me.
I think yan yung most hard round for me. Parang,
Yeah.
Na-pressure ka ba naman?
parang the pressure is stopping me from thinking.
But I must say, hindi
medyo-
tayo nag-talk over each other.
Hindi nyo ginawa yung inasahan namin na gagawin niya eh. Kasi masyado kayo marespeto siya.
I try to interject lang.
May mga ibang episodes na yung nagsasapawan ng...
Parang teka lang ah. Mga ganun. Yun yung mga ano eh. Pero,
Yung nagdadivulge yun, bobo ka kasi. Hindi na napupunta.
pero maganda yung format na ginawa nyo kasi gusto nyo talaga marinig yung sinasabi ng Yung parang, sige,
Gamitin ko yun.
Maganda yung sinabi
Oh,
ni
yeah, tama. I try to play judo.
I'm not fucking leaving.
Maganda yung sinabi ni Lilan yung double yung kalat mo kasi hindi mo naman makakain yung ice cream ng cup na cup lang. Gagawin mo. Isa-shot.
Ito yung iniisip ko eh. Parang may mga
Tapos
arguments
pro-corporations pala si Lilan.
Kanina pa siya
Oh, very
pro-corporation.
big corporation, dude.
Very
Eh,
Capitalist.
May sinabi si Jad kanina na kumakain siya ng ice cream bago mundang business meeting. Tapos ako parang, okay. Bago ka pupunta ka sa,
Yung may kalat in the daan, sabi
pupunta ka sa 75th floor sa Rockwell. Tapos ay, teka lang ha.
O kailangan ko ubusin tong love potion tapos peanut butter crisp.
Hey,
Nasa checklist niya, briefcase, coat,
ice cream.
I'm just saying, if you're stuck there.
Sobrang ready na for the presentation. De, pero, a lot of good points brought up by both
And
sides.
masay siya pare. Ganda ng topics niya.
Oh,
Oh, yeah. I see
para-
what he's doing. He's trying to butter up the judges. Right
Kanina mo
now.
pa kami ginagano,
Okay.
gago.
Ngayon ka pa
puta.
sip-sip.
Sip-sip!
I'm sorry, master. I'm sorry.
Eh,
Bakit ka nagbabalo?
sip-sip! Hindi, pero,
This is a rough.
medyo, siya eh, kasi,
Yeah, for me, should we analyze na ba?
hindi, ang pwede naman,
Alright.
ano na to eh.
What do you guys
parang-
think of my sugar rush point? You know,
Yung sugar rush
sugar
point mo,
rush, sugar crash.
medyo ano rin kasi siya eh, para sa akin masyado mong, sinituate na mangyayari yun.
Oo.
But may mga ganun din si Leland. lalo
Pero
na
yung sa Amazon rainforest,
sa Amazon rainforest.
Bring the plant here.
Kayo, na naman. Sorry.
Wait, so-
Sorry na ini-involve ko kayo dito palagi. Pero kayo na magsabi sa amin, anong plant yung sinasabi ni
Oo.
Jad? The plastic eater.
so may mga humans na pupunta sa Amazon rainforest para kunin siya. So may chop down silang trees para maabot yung...
Oh, i-displace nila yung plant na yun. Grabe na yun.
May seeds naman pa.
Wala
May seeds.
wala nang argument sa
Okay.
parang kami na ngayon yung kayo
Okay.
Ba't di kayo mag-away?
lot of good points. Hindi naman natin nira-round by round to usually. Pero para sa akin may sa first 2 rounds may
Yes.
clear winner.
Yes,
para
exactly.
sa akin.
Kasi tangina, tinatakbo lang ng isang debater yung oras eh.
Oo nga eh. Pero isa parang
Alam mo yung...
Hindi ko alam if good yun eh.
Ito yung nahalata ko kung nakukulangan sa time yung debate, yung ginagawa nila to. So, point 1, ito baka hindi kayo ready eh. Pinapahaba niyo.
nag-start na yung oras tapos biglang ready ka na ba?
To be fair, kinapos pa ako ng oras.
Oo nga eh. Akala ko nga sasakto eh. Si Jad lagi siyang malapit na mag-overtime kasi ang dami niya rin sinasabi.
I guess yun yung mali namin pareho. Medyo hirap kaming tansyahin pa yun.
Oo nga eh. Parang naman siya talaga. Like, feel din namin na parang, kasi dati parang 3 minutes pa siya, di ba? Ay, 1 minute siya dati, tapos kulang siya.
Masyado mabilis, no?
Oh, tapos parang feel namin 3 minutes. Masyado mahaba.
Sakto yung
2 minutes, no?
feeling ko.
Apparently not, pare.
Sakto siya para kay Leland.
Sakto siya sa akin.
Pero, yun nga. Pero by round 3, medyo nagta-turn na sa akin na parang,
Oo.
okay, some other good points here.
I think for me, the rebuttal one was doon na si Leland. Yung parang... I think yun na yung parang specialty niya, I guess.
Yeah, kasi,
Kitang-kita eh kung
Okay.
sino. For me.
in
Hirap
agreement
lang
naman tayo. So, yeah, I guess pwede na natin announce yung winner dahil doon. Diba?
Yeah.
Medyo clear cut sa atin. Hindi ko alam kung clear sa inyo.
Comments.
Pero-
Comments, poll.
Oh,
put a
like,
poll up.
lagi naman namin ini-invite yung mga reactions nyo na parang kung sino para sa inyo yung
Bulong mo
nanalo.
nga yung sa'yo.
Sino?
Sobrang di ko pwede sabihin yung sinabi ni Alex.
Okay.
I heard like a Y.
Sino yun?
So para sa akin, ang nanalo dito, si Leland.
Me too.
Okay. So, yun ang decision ng board.
Sino ang boss mo?
Ikaw, Ryan. Yun din. Ha?
Pero,
Lina,
Jod,
Ryan?
ito
Grabe.
I'll give-
Grabe, Jod. Lahat kami iniisip namin talo ka.
I'm ahead of my time. You're like the cup.
Jod.
Instead of
You had them, pare, sa round 1 and 2. You had them in the ropes.
Oh,
na,
kasi
pare.
yung facts.
round 1 lang.
Round 1 and 2.
No, round 1 and 2.
The
Kasi
facts.
you had the facts on your side. Pero, nung nagpuput na ng whole si Leland sa arguments mo,
Yeah.
pagdating ng rebuttal, sabi ko,
I thought you had it talaga. I thought you had it.
medyo na-drop mo siya sa rebuttal.
Na-pressure din ako, like,
Tsaka sa...
parang when the pressure hit, I couldn't think fast enough.
Ah.
Fuck, man.
Grabe, pressure, no?
I
Pero
choked,
we've
I
been
choked
on
a
that
bit.
side.
I choked a bit.
We've been there, pare. We know what's up. Pero yun nga, panalo na for this episode, Leland Lim. Give him a...
Good game. GG, good
A
game.
beautiful match.
Natapat ka sa Delo ng Bobo Debates.
Di ko get.
Hindi niya kilala si Delo, eh. Hindi niya
Delo,
kilala.
the best.
Okay. Shoutout kay Delo.
Sino
Tsaka
si
shoutout
Delo?
kay Papa Didis. Si Yung mga shoutout na. Shoutout sa Deep in Dots. Pero, okay. Tapos na ang debate. Pero hindi pa tapos ang ating program.
Okay.
Okay, ito ang aking favorite part kasi dito natin.
Really? Ito?
Sobrang hindi ka lang fan of friends being friends, no? Diba? Sabi nila, revenge is a dish best served cold. Pero para sa akin, ang best served hot ay refriendship. So, mga kaibigan, ito na ang aking favorite round. Ang no hard feelings segment natin.
Friendship.
So, bibigay ko kayo ng 2 minutes. Itatime ba natin to? Kasi
Tinatime ba natin?
magmumukhang artificial lang siya eh.
Hindi natin tinatime ata.
So, bibigyan ko lang kayo ng
May music lang.
oras para, alam mo yan, no hard feelings sa nangyari kanina. Sana, don't take it against me na inatake kita. Okay? Kasi ang totoong may kagagawan nun, ang Solid Okay. Pinag-away nila tayo para sa content.
Solid Okay wins again.
So, bibigyan ko kayo ng oras. Dylan, Judd, the floor is yours.
Actually, hindi siya,
Walang
para
hard
sa akin.
feelings
Oh,
naman.
wala talaga hard
Same naman. Oo.
Kasi kailangan namin yung isa't isa para makapaglabas ng galit. Yun yung outlet namin. Ako yung saksakan, siya yung sinasaksakan, and vice versa. So,
Outlet as in, natin
Outlet.
yung saksakan.
Tapos, isa sa kanila yung saksakan.
Both ways.
Hindi, both ways siya.
ACDC.
Definitely.
Para silang dalawang USB port na male-female.
Yeah.
Tapos,
Well,
Or baka, pwede
Or
iba-ibang
pwede,
genders.
ice-
hindi kasi yung isa saksakan tsaka isa.
Okay.
or pwede ice cream and cone.
Ah.
I've given in to the cone propaganda. But same
Hindi
with,
siya propaganda.
same with
It just exists.
Cones are overrated.
Oo nga. Si
Um,
Big Cone, di
Gusto ko
ba?
lang sabihin na kung walang cones, wala yung pinakasikat na gusto nating ice cream, which is cornetto. Gusto ko lang sabihin.
Shoutout sa Corneto,
Shout out
pare.
Cornetto.
Shout
Please
out.
sponsor.
Baka naman.
Yung may chocolate sa dulo.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Pwede ka ba maglagay ng chocolate sa ilalim ng cup?
Pwede, pero puta yun.
Panalo ka nalilan.
Kainin mo na yung cup. Di ba?
But I agree with Leland na parang walang hard feelings naman. If anything, I feel hard. That sounds
Okay.
wrong. That sounds wrong.
Okay.
No, I feel like I'm just hard on myself, man. Like I feel bad
Yeah,
for
I felt
losing.
that. I felt that.
Itong no hard
Kasi
feelings.
I had it at some points, and then I dropped the ball at other points. So I feel
dropped the
bad.
cup, pare.
I dropped the ice cream.
So, di
I
kasi-
dropped the ice cream.
Okay. Diyan
Well,
ka.
it
Tingin ka
was
sa
a good
camera.
game. It was a good
Sabihin mo sa mga tao sa bahay kung anong nararamdaman mo.
It's just like when my dad left me.
Oo naman.
Oh,
Wag mo
no,
naman
not like that. Okay. Sige, mas shallow. Basta
Yun na tatay fest
I
agad eh.
applaud Leland kasi I thought, okay, wala siyang facts. I got this. And then he beat me with his logic, simplicity, and his calm under pressure. So parang that's something I want to learn for the next, if ever I get to debate again.
Yeah.
So thank you, Leland. No hard feelings, and I'm now a better debater thanks to this fight.
Alam mo, kasi hindi ko alam na siya pala yung nauna. Akala ko akin lahat.
The confidence lang.
So parang feeling ko, mukhang ikaw yung natatalo when you parang, wala nang time.
It's the
May
If
image
naging-
siya na siya.
advertising of your
Yeah,
feeling.
if you maintain the same amount of confidence that you had nung first two.
I felt that yung confidence ko went down, lalo na sa rebuttal and sa argument round. But I just want to say, I wanted to add, actually I do like stuff about cones. For example, yung tip sa cornetto with the chocolate, you can give that to your crush. Parang if you're making ligaw someone.
Kadiri yun.
Kadiri yan.
No, I want to give you the chocolate
Alam ko
tip.
ba, dyan pwede mag-pass ng virus sa bibig.
Kadiri yun.
I'm just saying that's a nice strength I wanted to say.
Parang kumakain ka fried chicken, tapos binigay mo yung buto sa, gusto kita.
Romantic yan, guys. Try nyo, guys.
Kasi hindi pa siya leg na na buto. Buto siya ng, yung rib. Buto siya ng thigh. Diba?
But that was fun. That was fun.
Yeah,
That was fun.
Maraming salamat sa inyong dalawa.
Salamat, Alexio, Andren,
Hell yeah.
at Sir
Direct Ryan.
Bossing.
Lino.
Sir
Si
Lino.
Lino. Kung gusto nyo pa makita tong dalawa na to,
That's right.
makinig kayo sa podcast nila. Walang edit with Leland Lim.
Dito yan, no? Dito yan.
Ginagahan niyo yung bit ko, pare.
Ako most likely magre-review tapos
Sorry.
tatry kong patungan pero hindi ko siya papatungan ng kahit ano. Kasi video siya sa Spotify.
Ayoko nga, no? So,
Oo.
raw yung i-upload mo.
Tinan natin.
May
pare.
OBB lang, gano'n.
Oh, may OVB. Sisingit lang tayo OVB. Pero, maraming salamat. Pero,
Thank you,
ito,
guys.
big news.
Big news. The
Big
biggest
news.
of news.
The biggest of news is kasi, as you can see, nagbabalik ang Bobo Debates in your ears.
Let's go!
And your eyes. Pero, what if Bobo Debates was in your ears and in your eyes and in the same room with you, man?
In your nose, in your skin.
In your skin. Not too much, man. Pero magkakaroon ng Bobo Debates live, mga kaibigan.
Saan
Bobo
yan?
Debates
Saan?
live sa Cellar, sa Cool Pals Bar, sa Century Park Hotel on the October 12, yun ang gusto ko sabihin.
Grabe, oh.
October 12, that's a part of Joktoberfest, ha? At 8 p.m. Teka lang, hindi ko kasi sinulat no? Pero yun nga, Bobo Debates Live will be at 8 p.m. on October 12, 2025, part of Joktoberfest ng Comedy Manila, sa Cool Pals Bar, sa Century Park Hotel, sa Cellar. Hope to see you there, pare. Kasi ang lalaban dun sa araw na yun, medyo crazy.
Sino?
Crazy
Crazy.
bananas eh.
Crazy.
So, ang balak namin is magkaroon ng dalawang laban on that day. That would be Andren versus Alexio.
Ooh. Best friends, pare. Yung poster, yung alam mo yung sa SmackDown versus Raw. Pero yung
Kalahating mukha ni Vince McMahon, isang mata niya pula, isang blue.
SmackDown versus una.
Yung una, pare. So, yun yung unang laban. Tapos, ang ating headline of match.
main event.
Main event. Oh, yeah.
Ooh, the cream rises to the top.
Rises to the top.
Gusto ko yung pressure ng Ryan Rems, ah.
Ang ating main event para sa gabi na yun, mga kaibigan, ay si GB Labrador versus Red Oliero. Ang tagal ng loop na yun, Pero yun yung laban, mga laban sa araw na yun, October 12, 2025, 8 p.m. sa Cellar Cool Pals Bar sa Century Park Hotel, Joktoberfest ng Comedy Manila. Napakasaya. First edition ng Boboy Baby.
Grabe.
Live.
Congrats.
The live.
Congrats, guys.
Sobrang excited na kami para doon. Sana excited ka rin.
Oh,
Ikaw.
yeah, for sure.
Ikaw, yun ako
Kung
po dyan.
maglalaban kayo, sino mag-host?
Sino mag-host? Si Ryan. Andiyan si Ryan. Kasama natin si Ryan. Pakita ka na dito.
Yeah.
Yeah, the man.
The big honcho.
Oo. Boss namin yan. May sasabihin kayo tungkol sa kanya. Sabihin natin pag wala siya, pare. Alam mo naman pag pag may boss ka na dito. Pero yun lang po ang ating episode ng Bobo Debate. Sana na-enjoy yun itong first episode ng ating second season.
Thank you.
So yeah, maraming salamat, Lilan.
Salamat.
Nagpunas mo na.
Basa.
Maraming salamat, John.
Thank you,
Ingat,
bro.
guys. Ingat, guys.
Andren, maraming salamat.
Kunyari.
Maraming salamat din sa'yo. Ikaw, Jeffrey.
Solid okay. Sorry.